Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with your internet becoming disconnected when the VPN connects. So the main reason why you lose internet when connecting to VPN include faulty DNS settings, incompatible with your VPN client, outdated or corrupt VPN software, connecting to a server that has problems or is down, and security software like firewall or antivirus blocking VPN. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check network and internet status. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa left side menu, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa network and internet settings, so kapag nakita mong connected, secured, ito siya mga kaibigan. Kapag ganito yung nakita mo, and then that means your connections is fine. Pero kapag not connected or no internet means may issue or need mo siyang i-troubleshoot. Okay, so kapag click mong ganyan, and then makikita mo dito sa ating connections na connected, secured, ibig sabihin ay okay po yung ating connections. Alright, so in other solutions na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. And then next step, so to run the network troubleshooters. So kung paano ba natin gawin yan, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, and then under dito sa options, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung run, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. Okay, so dito kailangan lang natin i-follow yung step by step procedure and method dito para maayos natin yung problem. So after dito, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the network adapter. So kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So dito lang ulit sa start menu, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung network adapters. Okay, ito siya. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan lang natin i-update itong ating driver na Intel Wi-Fi. Okay? So dito kailangan mo lang select yan, and then right click. And then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then makikita mo dito yung dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. And then kailangan lang natin i-tap tong search automatically. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Ayan, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. And then next step ay close lang natin tong device manager at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix internet gets disconnected when VPN connects. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.